Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update payment method on any iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to update your payment method, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open the your settings, and here the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and then you just have to scroll down and look for the option of general. Go for the VPN and device management. You have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN, then go back and here go for software update, and you have to update your software. Once you have done, you just have to go back, go for your Apple ID. Here select the payment and shipping option, and here you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple account password. And here you just have to enter your Apple account password. Once you have entered, tap on the sign in option. Once you have signed in, you will get if you have any added payment method here. So if you had any added payment method, you just have to delete it first, and then you can easily add a new payment method like that. You just have to select in which you want to add your payment method. It might be your credit card or debit card. You just have to select the option, then then enter your credit card number, then select the expiry date. Once you have selected, enter your security code or CVV, and once you have entered, you just have to tap on this done option, and your payment method will be successfully updated. So in this way, you can easily update payment method on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.